So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress website without any coding. So there are 3 simple steps to create a website. Pick a domain, install WordPress, install a theme, and you are done. So guys, let's begin. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So first things first, we are going to go to Bluehost. Okay, so we are going to buy a web hosting. So this is where we would save our website files. So guys, if you check the link in the description, I have a 70% off just for you guys. I got a 70% off. So all you have to do is just click on get started. The link is down below for 70% off. So just click on get started. Select the recommended Choice Plus because they give you a free SSL, free domain, and it is really fast. It will help you rank #1 in Google because this is the one of the best web hosting. Select this, put in your domain name. So I've already purchased yavarkhan.com, but you could type in your domain name, click next. Once you click next, all you have to do is fill in your information. I would select 12 months. I would select this and this, and just put in your card details and submit. Once you submit that, you'll get an email confirmation, and then you'll get your login ID. So all you have to do is just click on login. Just come back to Bluehost again. Just click on login. So once you're in your dashboard, just click on my sites, create a site, put in your site name. So for me, I'm gonna call it yoga for yoga, learn, and my tagline would be learn yoga the easy way. Okay, and just gonna click next. And then I'm not going to install any of these plugins. I'm just going to click yoga. So guys, you all don't have to put this because I already have yavarkhan.com created. I'm just going to put this directory, but you don't have to put this. Just select your domain from your Yavarkhan or whatever your domain is. Just click next, and that's it. So just hold tight while we set up your site. And congratulations guys, give a pat on your back because you have just bought a domain. You have created your first WordPress website, and just log into WordPress. And guys, this is it. Okay, so you have created your first website. So currently it looks like this. Now we are going to install a theme. So before we install a theme, what we have to do is just click on the coming soon active page over here on the top. Just launch your site. Okay, now the second thing is it says your site has been launched. Now the second thing is come on settings. Once you're in your settings, click on put your site title, your tagline. Okay, and we have a free SSL certificate because we bought from Bluehost, so you could see SSL certificate. And then just come on permalinks and just click post name. The reason we are doing it is because we want our post name to show on the URL, which will help us rank #1 in Google, and just save changes. So now once this is done, all you have to do is themes. So we are going to install a new theme right now because currently our website doesn't look that great. So what we could just do is just click Nikko Nico. It's a really good theme. Just click install and just activate. So now once this is activated, go back to your site. Just click on visit site. Okay, so this is how your website looks. I'm just gonna click over here, customize. Okay, once I'm over here, I'm just gonna go back over here, background image. I'm gonna change the image. I go back to media library. There's no. So what you could do is you could upload your own image. So I'm going to tell you one website called Unsplash. So this is where you can get free images. I can just click yoga. Okay, now I can download this image for free. I can just, so these are copyright free images. You just drag and drop your images. Once the image is uploaded, you can just choose image. So once your image is loaded, you can just choose image. So this is how my website looks. I can just save publish. Okay, now once this is done, I can just click cancel. So this is now how my website looks. Now I'm going to show you how you could add menus over here. So all you have to do is again go back on dashboard and then click on appearance, click on menu, and then just create a menu called home menu. Just save. I would do is just delete this thing and just save menu. I just want my home page to appear. If I go back to my website and refresh it, click over here, okay, and just select display location primary, save menu, go back to my website. You could see my home is over here. Now what I'll tell you how you can create more pages. All you have to do is click over here, add new, click on contact, just publish. Now again I can go back on appearance, menus, and I would say automatically add pages. So if I create a new page, it will automatically get added. Save menu, and then you could just see. Again, if I create one more page, so these are all your pages. I can just go over here, create a page called Learn Yoga. So it will automatically appear on the home page. If I just refresh again, so Learn Yoga, so it's already appearing over here. So now this is how you do it. Now I'm going to show you how to create your new post. All you have to do is come on post. Okay, just delete. I'm just going to move this to trash, the hello world. This is a demo post. And click on add new. You can just type yoga for, okay, in this article. Just gonna write the article really fast. I just wrote the article, just a sample article. Then now what you have to do is just click on documents, feature image. Again, you can use this website, push in your, just click over here. So I've downloaded one image from here. I can just push, try adding the image over here. Once the image is added, I can just set feature image, and then I could publish. So now if I go back to the website, so as you could see, my post is over here, and then the website looks really good. If you want to remove all of these things from the bottom, all you have to do is click on, come over here, back on dashboard, click on widgets, just remove these, delete, delete, delete. And that's it, guys, and then just refresh. So this is how your website looks. You can just delete this, and delete this. Again, just again go back to my website. My website looks really good. You can customize it. You can go to customize. You can change the colors for the background. As you could see, I can select black, I can select choosing depending on your theme. You can change the background image, you can change the menu locations. That's it, guys, and this is how you create your WordPress website. And then trust me, this is a really good theme. Once you start putting in your logo, your post, so this is how it will look. It looks really good. So guys, this is how you create your WordPress website. I hope if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and as I told you, for the free bonus, so guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's much more in detail. I tell you to how you could optimize your website, how to use the best SEO plugin, the best plugin for WordPress security, and I also tell you how you can make passive money and earn money. And as you could see, creating a WordPress website is really easy. It just takes one click and you could make a lot of money. So the link is down below for the free course, and just congratulate yourself, because now you know how to create a WordPress website, and now you have one more skill that you could use and help others as well. Because when I started, I created websites for everyone, for all my friends, for all the local businesses out there, and then I started getting money out of it. So it's very easy. If you have any questions, do let me know. Yavar Khan signing off, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and please, if you have any questions, do comment. I'm always there to help you. I want you to make money. Thank you.